The 2019-2022 Chevy Silverado key fob uses a CR232 battery. Replacing it is straightforward and saves money over dealership visits. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. First, locate the seam on the back of the fob. Gently pry it open using a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Be careful not to damage the internal components. Once open, note the battery's orientation with the positive side up. Carefully remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is up. Snap the two halves of the fob back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. The LED should light and functions work. If needed, resync by cycling the ignition or using the driver's door keypad. Use high-quality batteries to avoid problems. Replace the battery every 18 to 24 months to prevent unexpected failures. Automotive experts recommend this as 65% of key fob failures are battery-related. If the fob shell cracks during opening, aftermarket replacements are readily available online for around $50. After replacing your battery, always test the key fob to ensure it is working properly before relying on it. For Silverado owners, the trend is moving towards digital keys via the My Chevrolet app, potentially reducing reliance on physical fobs. Also, be careful when purchasing batteries. Experts warn against generic batteries. Note that counterfeit ones can cause 30% faster depletion. While DIY replacements are generally successful, consider that cybersecurity concerns are prompting GM to explore encrypted batteries in future models.